Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Today I'm making the last video of the year, and in my video I want to see how long a baby can hold an egg. With me I have an egg. I just picked it from a nest, so I'm giving it to the baby. He's a 2-year-old baby, to see how long he can hold the egg. He's wondering now, what is this? Yeah, I've already given it to him. He's wondering, hi, where should I place this egg? Yeah, and giving me direction. Let's go take it there. Let's go take it there. He's even talking to me and telling me, you should take it there. It's now about 1 minute 15 seconds. He has not yet broken the egg. It's a bird egg. An egg of a bird. A bird egg. I don't know. We just know that ni mayai ya kanyonde. Yeah, he's showing it. It is blue in color. I think he loves it. Yeah, he's even wanting to give it back to the bird. He still have the egg. He has not yet broken it. What? It might break. It might break, baby. Does he want to break it, or what does he want to do with it? He's thinking of returning it. He's even showing me the direction. Let's go return it there. Yeah. He's dropped it. Ooh. Fuck. He's telling me to wipe his